Katie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make giant paper snowflakes. If you're using A5 paper, your snowflake will look like this, and if you're using A4 paper, your snowflake will look like this. You can use any colours you want, whether it's multi-mould coloured or just white. Today I'm going to be using white paper and yellow paper. So the first thing you need to do is get 6 pieces of your A5 paper or A4 paper. Once you've got those, you need a pair of scissors, make sure you have an adult with you, a glue stick, and that is all. If you want to use if you might want to grab a pen, as that might help you do some of the folding. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take your piece of paper and fold it into a square. Now if you don't know how to do this, take your corner, any corner, can be any corner you like, take the corner and fold it. So basically it then ends up just like so. So just fold it there like that. Just fold that corner, okay? So that's that corner, and just fold it. So then your piece of paper looks like this. The next step you want to do is get your scissors and you want to chop off this bit of paper here. So just go along the line, nice along the line, and then you're left with a triangle. And then when you open it up, it's a square, okay? Perfect. Your next step gets a little bit trickier, okay? So you want to do is take your triangle that you just cut out and fold it again. So fold it again so you get a little bit of a smaller triangle. And like I said, if you're doing an A5 paper, your triangle will be smaller. However, it still looks a pretty good size. It's kind of a nice size to go in a Christmas tree. So then you're left with this. What I want you to do now is hold it in front of you, and you have a right angle here. The bottom bit should be able to open, so don't hold it like this because you can't open that bit, can you? So hold it like this so the bottom bit opens. So for you guys it'll be probably like that, okay? Yeah. Next, you're going to take your scissors, okay? This bit gets a little bit trickier. What you need to do is go chop it, but do not go the whole way to the end. If you go the whole way to the end, I might have got a little bit too much there, but it's okay. So that's number 1. Then you want to go number 2, quite far apart, so you've got a nice distance. Number 3. And again, don't go all the way to the end, otherwise you're going to cut the paper in half. And then number 4. So then you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits of paper. Now here comes the snowflakey bit. So you want to open it up. So then you are left with this wonderful shape that we've made. Right, now this is where we need to focus and watch. This is where your glue stick comes in. So you get your glue stick ready, okay? So first of all, you've got to take these bits inside. So where you fold it, it's easier to, it's quite fiddly. So take these first bits in here and basically get your glue and just glue a little bit on the side, just there, okay? Just like that, just there. And then take your other small bit and fold it on top. Now this is where your pen might come in because, oh no, I don't need my pen now. So then you basically are left like this. So you fold it like that and you made a lovely little shape like this. Now turn over and take your next 2 bits and get your glue and do the same thing. And then fold it again. So now you've got 1 there and then 1 this side, as you can see. Now, guess what you're going to do? So we've done this side, we're going to turn it over again, okay? Turn it over again, do the same, and do this. So the first one's quite difficult, but then it gets easier. So you just got to keep teetering it. So change it again, do the next one. So yes, we've only made 1 so far, so you need to make 6. I'm showing you how to make 1, and then you can come back and watch it, and you can you can make your 6. Okay, so you need to make 6 exactly the same. It doesn't matter if you do different colour. However, they do need to be the same size. So if you make an A5 one, all of them have to be A5. So now we have this wonderful snowflake. Now, yes, these look beautiful, so you could just hang loads of these around your house. But here's 3 I made earlier. So you're going to have 6. So your first 3, what you need to do is the following. Take one. So I've got a yellow one, so I'm going to put the yellow ones so it's kind of like a little pattern. So, more glue. You're going to take the top of your snowflake here and you're going to glue like so, glue, 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 and stick. It doesn't matter which side. And stick the other one on like that, okay? Just like so. So it looks like this. And then you're going to glue the others. Then you're going to glue your other one. Glue, 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 glue. And you're going to go like this. Okay? So now you're left with this. Now that, look, it's a bit flowing around. So now what you're going to do is get more glue and then we're nearly done. More glue, a quick and easy arts and crafts. So, gosh, on your snowflake you have this one here, this piece here, and this piece here, and you're going to glue those pieces together like that. So take the little bit, the way you've glued them together you'll be able to see. So glue that there and then stick them together. Okay? If you have a stapler that would be easier, but I do recommend using glue. So we do the same thing this side, glue it where you put it, and then pin it this side and glue, glue, glue. Give it a big squeeze. And now you should be left with this. And now this is half of your snowflake. So I recommend gluing 3 together first. So make 6 of these, glue 3 together, and then you have your second part of your snowflake. Now, how do we stick these together? So we have these 2 sides here. We're going to get our glue. We're going to glue, 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 glue. Glue the sides and stick it on like correctly. Stick it on like that. Big squeeze so it sticks. Again, this part, if you have a stapler, it'll be easier. Now, oh no, it's fluffing around. What do? We do what we did before. We take our glue, take these 2 pieces here that are apart from each other, and we glue, 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 glue. And we pin it together like so. Just wait for it to stick. There we go. And then the same this side. Glue, 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 glue. Quick glue. And then, ready, glue it together. Big squeeze. And I recommend leaving it to dry. If you've got quick drying glue, perfect. But I do recommend using glue stick and not PVA glue. And there you have your very own giant Christmas star snowflake. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today and have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And I hope to see lots and lots and lots of these. And I hope to see some of you at camp soon. Bye! Merry Christmas!